नमस्ते। मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में आमंत्रित करने के लिए धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ कि मैं आज यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ।
This is Asha, a first-of-a-kind avatar robot nurse, being developed by the researchers at IISc, TCS and Hanson Robotics under Avatar Robotics, a mission mode project in Art Park.
Imagine taking care of a patient who is infected with COVID, and an actual nurse is unable to do that because of the fear of infection. So imagine that you have a robot which can actually do the task which a normal nurse would do, and the robot will actually get controlled by the nurse or supervised by the nurse. So the robot becomes an extension of the nurse, and you will see an example of that in our work here in Art Park through this robotic nurse called Asha.
मैं एक मानव नर्स की जगह लेने में सक्षम नहीं हूँ। मैं केवल मानव नर्सों के लिए एक नया उपकरण बनूंगी, उन मरीजों की देखभाल करने के लिए जिन्हें वे प्रत्यक्ष रूप से नहीं देख सकती हैं। एक तरह से मैं नर्स के लिए रोबोट अवतार बनूंगी।
Art Park is set up at ISC with the support from AI Foundry and a seed grant of $30 million from Department of Science and Technology's NMICPS mission and Government of Karnataka. While Silicon Valley might be innovating for the first billion, in India we have the data and the talent to take on the problems of the developing world, the so-called 6 billion people.
मैं भावनाएं व्यक्त कर सकती हूँ, जैसे कि मैं हंस सकती हूँ, मैं मुस्कुरा सकती हूँ, मैं चिंतित हो सकती हूँ। इसलिए मुझे उम्मीद है कि मरीज मुझसे निश्चिंत होकर बात कर पाएंगे और मुझे सिर्फ एक मशीन ही नहीं बल्कि उससे बढ़कर एक दोस्त भी समझ पाएंगे।
Asha might be the first, but at Art Park we are exploring such innovative and exciting mission mode problems along with global industry partners.
Art Park stands for AI and Robotics Technology Park and is focused on creating path-breaking innovations in AI, robotics and autonomous systems technologies through collaborations with academia, industry and government, then taking these innovations into the market via startups by the Art Park Venture Studio.
Google was born out of Stanford University and it's a $1 trillion company now. We need to build such companies out of India. We will work with industry, academia and entrepreneurs from across the world to make this happen, and I invite them to come and collaborate with us. We have also started a venture studio to create such deep tech companies and are also raising a USD 100 million international venture fund along with the support of DST to support these and other AI and robotics companies.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. आशा करती हूँ कि आप और मैं इस दुनिया को रहने के लिए एक बेहतर जगह बना सकें। धन्यवाद।
For now, Asha is learning Hindi and Kannada. She will be trained in other Indian languages too. She is also learning to be remotely controlled by a human being. She hopes to work with her first patient a year from now, and Art Park team is working tirelessly towards achieving it.
This way, we might even get up to create 10 million new jobs that we need to become a $10 trillion economy. As a nation, we want to take these moonshots at Art Park so that we can truly become Atmanirbhar.
Wear masks. ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರಿ.
You can check out her progress at www.artpark.in.